Great going. Now you must be able to pick the great egret from the intermediate egret. Now, come with me. Let's watch these tiny birds hop along the branches and feed on nectar. We are looking at small passerines called sunbirds. But what kind of sunbird is it? At the end of the short video, you must be able to call them by name. They keep shifting through the vegetation and are very small in size. You will need a keen eye to make the call. Be sure to spot the slender forward curved beak though. First bird in our list is almost entirely purple, as is fittingly called a purple sunbird. Male purple sunbirds, during their breeding season, wear this plumage. They can shimmer in different shades of purple and maroon under the sunlight as they pick the flowers. Our second sunbird has a bright yellow belly, which gives it away. They still sport a brownish purple head. They are called purple-rumped sunbirds. The females are more interesting. The female purple-rumped sunbirds, in addition to the bright yellow belly, has a greyish throat, whereas female purple sunbirds have uniform pale yellow underparts. You must be able to knock it off by observing the throat and belly colors. Male purple-rumped sunbirds look almost the same throughout the year, whereas purple sunbirds have a different journey altogether. During their non-breeding season, they look like their female counterparts, with a blue-black band running down their throat and chest, but are yellowish compared to the females. This is called the eclipse plumage. In preparation for the breeding season, they dramatically change to purple overall. During this phase, they can be found with an intermediate morph too. Let's summarize. Purple sunbird males appear uniformly dark with iridescent blue-purple sheen. Males become duller during eclipse plumage and females are dull olive yellow. Purple-rumped sunbird males have bright yellow underparts and a distinct purple rump. Males remain distinctive. Females are grey to brighter yellow underparts. Remember, yellow belly, think purple-rumped sunbird, whereas uniform dark, think purple sunbird.